Have you ever sat down to manifest something you deeply wanted, but in the back of your mind there was a tight knot of fear, panic, or desperation? Maybe it was money, maybe it was a relationship, or maybe it was just the desperate hope for peace, a break from chaos. You closed your eyes, you visualized, you repeated the affirmations, but your heart was pounding. Your stomach churned. You couldn't shake the feeling that if this didn't work, you'd fall apart. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. And today, I want to talk to you heart to heart. Because this could be the very reason your manifestations have been delayed, distorted, or even backfiring. Most people are unconsciously manifesting from fear, from lack, from survival mode. They say the right words, they make the right vision boards, they even try to feel good. But underneath, there's a current of panic. What if it doesn't happen? What if I fail? What if I end up alone forever? That's not manifesting, that's begging. And the universe doesn't respond to begging. It responds to your vibration. And that's what we're going to shift today. Together. Before we dive deep, if you haven't watched my recent video on the most powerful time to manifest, where I talk about the half-asleep state, theta brainwaves, and how to use Ho'oponopono to cleanse before you call in your desires, make sure you check that out too. It connects beautifully with what we're going to do here. But today we're not talking about when to manifest. We're talking about how to manifest. From a place of calm, from emotional safety, from true energetic alignment. Because when you shift into calm receiving mode, manifestation becomes effortless, natural, like breathing. I want to share a real moment with you. Something that happened to someone I worked with. She was in a state of absolute panic. Her finances were a mess. Her relationship had just ended, and she kept trying to manifest money and love back into her life. But it wasn't working. The more she tried, the more she felt like she was failing. Until I guided her through a very simple shift. She started using a 5-minute daily method that combines 3 steps: calming the nervous system, cleaning subconscious blocks using Ho'oponopono, and then simply allowing herself to receive. That's it, 5 minutes a day. In just 3 weeks, her energy shifted so much that she got an unexpected opportunity that tripled her income. And without chasing or forcing anything, she reconnected with a kind and emotionally safe partner. None of it came from panic, it came from alignment. I'll teach you that 5-minute method in just a moment. But first, I want you to understand why this works. You see, your subconscious mind doesn't speak English. It speaks frequency, emotion, energy. So when you're visualizing wealth but feeling fear, your subconscious picks up the fear. And that becomes your point of attraction. Imagine trying to call someone while standing in a storm. You're screaming into the phone, but they can't hear you over the wind. That's what it's like trying to manifest from a storm of panic inside your body. Calm is clarity. Calm is power. Calm is the language of the divine. Now, let me ask you, when was the last time you truly felt calm while manifesting? Not hopeful, not excited, but deeply, gently calm, like the ocean at sunrise. Most of us never learned how to access that space because we were raised in survival mode. We were taught that we had to earn love, work hard for success, chase safety. And we brought that same energy into our manifestations. But manifestation isn't chasing, it's remembering. Remembering that everything you desire is already yours, on the frequency of calm, trust, and wholeness. So here's what we're going to do. I want you to close your eyes right now, unless you're driving. If you are, save this part for later. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, soften your belly. And just for these few minutes, let's stop trying. Let's stop fixing. Let's stop forcing. Let's just be. Now I want you to place one hand over your heart and the other over your stomach. This is where your subconscious lives, where fear hides, where healing begins. Start whispering the 4 Ho'oponopono phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Say it again. Feel it. You're speaking to your inner child, to the wounded parts of you that learned to panic, to brace, to prepare for pain. Let them know they're safe now. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now imagine your body is filling with soft golden light, peaceful, warm, and gentle. This is the energy of allowing, of receiving, of being. Let that light fill every cell, every wound, every doubt. You don't need to do more. You don't need to be more. You are already enough. Now silently, I want you to say, I am open to receive. I allow miracles to find me. I let go of control and just breathe. This is the 5-minute method. Step 1. Calm. Breathe. Regulate your nervous system. Step 2. Clean. Use Ho'oponopono to release subconscious fear and pain. Step 3. Allow, open your heart and body to receive. Do this every morning, every night, especially right before sleep, when your brain is in a theta state. This is where the magic happens. And if your mind wanders back into fear, just come back to this calm. Come back home. The version of you that has the love, the money, the peace you desire. They don't live in panic. They live in calm confidence, in softness, in quiet power. You're not trying to become someone new. You're remembering who you really are beneath the noise. Let that land. If this resonates and you want to go even deeper, I have something beautiful coming up. Next month, I'm hosting a free 5-day healing and manifestation series that will guide you step by step into deep emotional release, subconscious reprogramming, and powerful, calm-based manifestation. All the updates will be shared inside our WhatsApp community. You'll also be able to contact me directly there if you feel called to join our group or one-on-one healing sessions. This is where we do the deeper work, where we clean out old wounds, childhood patterns, ancestral blocks, all the roots that keep creating the same cycles. Because when you heal, you rise, and when you rise in calm, the universe responds with grace. Don't manifest from fear. Return to peace. Breathe, clean, receive. Everything is already on its way to you. You just need to get out of the storm and open the door. I'll see you there. And until then, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you.